Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best winter camping gear for 2022. Don't go winter camping without the right winter camping gear. Winter camping, the concept can seem off-putting at first. Won't it be cold? But honestly, winter camping can be a blast, not to mention a serene experience. There is just something about a snowy forest landscape that does the mind and body good. You just need the right gear. Here are a few of the best pieces of winter camping gear that will keep you safe and comfortable to ensure you have a great time. We make this list of best winter camping gear based on customer reviews and personal opinion. For further information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
MSR's all-in-one snowshoe kit comes equipped with all the tools you'll need to get out and into winter. Featuring MSR's Evo Trail snowshoes, high-strength MSR poles, and a full-featured carry bag, it's packed with innovative technologies. With it, you're ready to explore your local trails behind the cabin or deeper into the snow-covered wilderness. MSR's Dynalock trail poles are made of high-strength aluminum for maximum durability. A full range of adjustability comes with easy and secure locking to back you up with every step. And we didn't skimp on the carry bag. Designed for easy transport and storage, it carries the snowshoes inside or out and features a place for poles. Outside, rugged panels withstand abrasion from the snowshoes. Inside offers easy access and a zippered pocket for small items. Our best-selling Evo Trail snowshoes boast MSR's unrivaled traction for superior grip and confidence. The Evo's deck is ultra durable, and its glove-friendly binding is easy to use and fits a wide range of boot sizes for comfort on short hikes or long. The foam seat is perfect for lunch stops or snack breaks. This kit offers ultimate in grab-and-go convenience. To attach the snowshoes, unbuckle the straps and place the snowshoes on or in the pack with crampons facing each other. Buckle the straps and cinch tight. To attach the poles, unbuckle the straps and slide the tip through the loop. Lay the poles over the bungee and pass the end of the bungee through the loop. Slide the tensioner against the pole to secure and buckle the straps around the poles. Whether you're experiencing winter trails for the first time or you're getting back out there, MSR's snowshoe kit delivers the proven performance you need to enjoy it all.
Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now if you're familiar with Jetboil, chances are you've used a Flash before, but now for 2018, it is the fastest stove on the planet to boil water. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. That means by the time you're done watching this video, you could have made tea or had dinner cooking. Measuring boil time in seconds is a huge deal. It means you'll be eating, sipping coffee, or just have clean drinking water faster than ever before. The new Flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1-liter Flux Ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. The Flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, so you don't have to worry about forgetting your lighter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. Now, that's a lot of power, but what's important is what Jetboil does with all that energy. Flux Ring technology, which you can see right here, means every BTU goes into heating your meal and not the air around it. So due to that amazing fuel efficiency, the new Flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram Jet Power cans. The engineers at Jetboil were able to cut down the time by a minute by challenging every aspect of the stove. They modeled the combustion and selected materials to completely optimize speed, efficiency, and precision. The base plate on the new Flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. Also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java kit, which you can see right here. I love this thing because it gives you a Flash cooking system and a coffee press all in one. And you can never have enough good coffee in the backcountry. The new Flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, flux ring frying pan and pot, and utensils. So the new Flash is an amazing improvement to a legendary cooking system. It weighs just 13.1 ounces, and with a 100-second boil time, it's the fastest jet boil ever made. So if you're looking for the world's fastest and most efficient backcountry cooking system, you just found it.
At Nemo, we live by a mantra to never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we create is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Tenchi, our award-winning expedition tent designed to keep you comfortable and secure in high-exposure areas. Offered in a two-person model, this Alpine Warrior is equipped with our unique STAT anchoring system, offering unparalleled security for adventurers wanting to take their expeditions to the edge. Tenchi's strongest feature is its unique sleep-tight anchor transfer system, providing a waterproof, convenient, and direct method of transferring an anchor into the tent when pitched on a ledge. Designed with an efficient shape to balance livability with fluid lines, Tenchi is ultra-stable in windy conditions. Tenchi's 40D Osmo waterproof nylon ripstop fabric is breathable, supremely strong, and provides the most reliable weather protection possible. An extra-large vestibule at the front gives you plenty of storage space to protect your gear from the elements, and a clear vestibule window provides visibility in bad weather conditions. A large front door offers easy access, and the rear window is large enough to be used as an escape hatch in emergencies. Multiple strut-supported vents, coupled with Tenchi's removable condensation curtain, promote superior airflow for ventilation and keep moisture from the breath contained to a small portion of the tent. Tenchi's overlapping external pull structure leverages premium aluminum DAC Featherlight pulls, further adding strength, durability, and stability. The completely external pull configuration is intuitive for an ultra-fast setup, saving valuable time in extreme weather. And a generous amount of pull clips and gatefold carabiners ensure tent integrity during the harshest conditions. Shock cord stake points allow flexibility to evenly distribute stress in the frame during high winds, keeping materials safe while on the mountain. With gear pockets, there's ample interior storage for essentials. And on those dark nights, light pockets allow you to turn your headlamp into a tent lantern through light diffusing fabric. For greater visibility, especially at night, Tenchi is outfitted with reflective webbing and guy lines. If your expeditions take you to the furthest edges of the earth, Tenchi is a shelter of choice to keep you secure and comfortable in high exposure areas. And like all Nemo products, your Tenchi comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.
Hey everybody, Erica and Danny here. We're here in the BioLite lab and welcome to the headlamp instructional video. In this guide, we're gonna cover the following: overview, lighting modes, fit adjustment, recharging, cleaning, and then the setup for the optional light diffusing stuff sack. Let's dive in. The headlamp is comprised of the following components: an articulating front LED panel featuring a 100 lumen flood and 230 lumen spotlight, a single power button to access lighting modes and control brightness, the adjustable moisture wicking headband, and a micro USB rechargeable battery located on the back of the band. On the back of that rechargeable battery, you'll find your headlamp serial number. Use this to register your headlamp on the BioLite warranty page. So when you take your headlamp out for the first time, it's gonna be programmed in lock mode to preserve the battery. It's gonna flash, that's all you can do. We're gonna get you out of that right now. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. The light will flash red 1 time, and you can now access all modes. The lighting modes rotate through the following sequence: red flood, white spot, white flood, spot and flood together, strobe, and off. To access your desired mode, click the power button in half-second increments until you reach your desired setting. Just a little bit of practice is all you need. Here it is in real time so you can get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. If you wait too long in between clicks, your headlamp may turn off. No problem. Just click it back on and proceed to your desired mode. The unit also has a lock mode feature that you can use to prevent your headlamp from accidentally turning on in your pack or while in transit. To enter lock mode, press and hold the power button for 8 seconds while the headlamp is off. The headlamp will flash twice in red. This means you have successfully locked your unit. Now, if there are any accidental presses, say in your bag, it'll only flash red, no battery wasted. To exit lock mode, press and hold again for 8 seconds. It'll flash once in red, and your headlamp is now unlocked and ready to access all light settings. Your headlamp comes programmed with memory, meaning it'll turn on to its last remembered setting. The memory setting will last for 12 hours before returning to the default setting. When you're in white spot, flood, or the full 330 lumen setting, you can dim the headlamp by pressing and holding. When it flashes, it's as low as it can go. To brighten, press and hold again. It'll flash at its brightest setting. The headlamp can fit both adults and children alike thanks to its easy adjust band. For a comfortable and high performance fit, place the headlamp around your head, and then you're going to use the adjustment clips in unison. Those are right here. To tighten the band, pull the clips away from the back of your head. To loosen the band, push the clips toward the back of your head. It's important to use the clips in unison to maintain ideal balance. So try to avoid pulling on just one side. It works best with two. To adjust the direction of your light, you can move the LED panel up or down easily with one hand. Locate the lip behind the power button and guide it downward. The panel will click down through 4 different angles. To adjust back up, push gently on the front of your panel. The rechargeable headlamp has run times of up to 3.5 hours on max and 40 hours on low. The illuminated 4 LEDs located on the bottom of the battery let you know how much power is left. To recharge your unit, connect the micro USB to a power source. This could be a wall outlet, your computer, a power bank, or a solar panel. Pro tip, the headlamp does accept pass-through charging, so you can extend the runtime of your headlamp by pairing it with a power bank, which can come in handy for long runs, hikes, or even power outages. The moisture-wicking smart fabric keeps you cool and dry during activity and features 3 bonded layers that protect your electronics from any sweat. You can sponge clean the inside of your band using warm water and mild soap or detergent, but don't dunk it or run it under a pouring faucet. If you have the light diffusing stuff sack, you can easily turn your headlamp into a hanging light. To get started, turn the top of the stuff sack inside out to reveal the 2 inner loops. Fold the headlamp in half, and with the LED panel facing down, feed one side of the band through the inner loop located inside the stuff sack. Do the same thing with the other side. Push the loops toward the middle so that they hug the battery and stabilize the unit. Fold the stuff sack back up over the top. Turn the unit on. Give it a cinch, and it's ready to hang. Wildly capable and simply comfortable. That's the BioLite headlamp. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for watching.
This is Tensor, our lightest, most technical sleeping pad series we've designed. Available in multiple sizes and installation configurations, this elite, ultralight backcountry sleeping pad offers a quieter and more supportive sleep at a tiny packed size. Despite its minimalist weight, Tensor incorporates a premium luxury feel with features like our silky soft 20D polyester and our new zero profile multifunctional valve for micro adjustability and quick deflation. Our super plush polyester is made from threads that are treated with a pressurized air process that softens fibers before they are woven into fabric, ensuring an even quieter night under the stars. Each Tensor includes Vortex, our efficient new pump sack that minimizes moisture entering the pad and enables rapid, easy inflation, saving your lungs after a long day on the trail or at high elevation. If you're headed into the backcountry and plan to carry everything on your back, our new Tensor will provide you with 3 inches of ultralight comfort that packs to the size of your water bottle. Designed for unparalleled stability and weight distribution, Space Frame baffles support your body evenly without that waterbed feeling. The spot-welded baffle design allows insulation layers to be interwoven and suspended within the pad's airspace, eliminating that painfully loud and crinkly potato chip bag sound. For smaller folks, or those extreme minimalists who just want to shave every ounce possible, we designed Tensor Mummy with tapered shape and rounded corners. For technical backpackers experiencing a range of colder temperatures, we offer Tensor with 2 layers of our Ultratech thermal mirror suspended metallized film, making it a true backcountry adventurer's best friend. For those looking for the ultimate ultralight backcountry sleeping experience, Tensor Series stands apart as our flagship pad. And like all Nemo products, your pad comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.